In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Xero bank feed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to pull the most recent transactions from your bank into Xero. First, open Xero and sign in to your organization. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top navigation and click on Accounting. This is where Xero groups all your financial tools and reports, and it's the quickest path to your bank accounts. Next, choose Bank Accounts. Here you'll see a grid of account cards for each bank account you've set up in Xero. Find the specific account you want to update. Each card shows the account name and balance, and it's also where you'll access the refresh option. On the account card, locate the three dots, sometimes called the overflow menu. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions for that bank account. In that menu, look for an option under the Bank Feed section called Refresh Bank Feed. Select it to request the latest available transactions from your bank. After you click Refresh, Xero will contact your bank and try to bring in anything new since the last update. Depending on your bank, you might be asked to confirm a security step such as entering a one-time code. That's normal and helps keep your data secure. If the refresh succeeds, you should see your account balance and recent transactions update. Keep in mind that some banks only release new data at certain times of day, so it's possible you won't see changes right away if nothing new is available. If you don't see the Refresh Bank Feed option, don't worry. In demo organizations, that button isn't available because they don't connect to a real bank. In a live organization, the option appears when the account is using an active direct bank feed and you have permission to manage bank accounts. If you're using a manual import or a feed that doesn't support on-demand refresh, the button may not be present. A couple of quick tips as you work. Refreshing won't create duplicates for transactions that are already in Xero. It only fetches new ones from your bank. If you manage multiple bank accounts, repeat the same process on each account card you want to update. And if a refresh ever fails, try again later. Banks sometimes throttle requests or perform maintenance windows. That's all there is to it. Open Xero, go to Accounting, select Bank Accounts, use the three dots on the right account card, and choose Refresh Bank Feed to pull in the latest data.